Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install State Farm application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open your App Store. In the search box, type in State Farm and search. Look for the State Farm application from State Farm Mutual Automobile Insurance Company and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. The State Farm mobile app offers convenient features for managing your insurance and banking needs. You can view and manage your insurance policies, make quick payments for your insurance bills, including the option to use Google Pay, access your auto insurance ID card and add it to your Google Pay, check your coverage details, and much more. So once you have the application installed on your device, you can launch it open and get started with it. So that's how you can easily download the correct State Farm application on your mobile device in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.